Good morning, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy, week of 9/28. So we're continuing with chapter 4, the nature of reality or metaphysics. And so last week we sort of looked at an introduction to this. We watched a clip from the movie The Matrix. We looked at the reality behind appearances, what is really real. And we also were introduced to Guy Debord's Society of the Spectacle. So what we're going to do now is do a little history of philosophy and sort of see what the first philosophers understood as ultimate reality. And with that, we'll be introduced to this idea of materialism versus a transcendent reality. So what is most real, what you can see in front of you, touch, measure, or is there a transcendent reality that is, over and above nature that is most real? And the way that we'll look at this is by reading Plato's Euthyphro. So it'll be our, third original work of philosophy, and we'll read most of the dialogue, if not all of it, to give you an experience of what actual works of philosophy look like. So you already had the assignment to sort of answer the questions on the first, 25%, 30% of the book. For chapter 4. And then there will also be a reading guide and questions for Euthyphro. So it should be an exciting week, and look forward to seeing you all. Have a great day.